In this video tutorial, we will be looking at some chord progressions from some popular artists. We will then be putting these chords into Beepbox manually. To start, we will be putting the chord progression from the song Message in a Bottle by Taylor Swift. This chord progression is a 1 to 4, 6 to 5 progression. The numbers are notated in Roman numerals when we refer to chords. We are in the key of C major, so our 1 chord is C. Our 4 chord is F. Our 6 chord is lowercase, so it is in a minor chord. And then we end with the 5 chord, which is G. Let's put these notes on the grid now. And then we end with the 5 chord, which is G. Let's put these notes on the grid now. Our next chord progression will be from the Weeknd. Since we used a 4 chord progression from our last artist, we need to use one from this one. We will be using the chord progression from Gasoline. This is 1 to 2, 6 to 3 chord progression. The chords will be C, D, M, A, M, and M. The M is A M is for minor. Let's put these notes in now.